Look at the state of that. The guy wanted £80 for it and I managed to get him down to 50. And you would be right in thinking you couldn't get a grown man in there. But you'd be wrong. Look at the state of that. Look at it over there. Even there as well. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to look at replacing this basket because as you see the rust is just everywhere now on this, and that's after I sprayed it, and I don't even think it's lasted a year. But I do have a better solution. Manky. So where did I get to replace it? Something that I should have got for the start. Mini roof box. And you would be right in thinking you couldn't get a grown man in there. But you'd be wrong. It's only 7 inches longer than the roof basket, which is good. It's actually narrower as well. But as you saw with me getting in it, there's tons of space. So I'm always on Facebook and Gumtree and I'm always looking for roof boxes, but I don't want to pay like 300 quid for it. And then I saw this. The guy wanted £80 for it and I managed to get him down to 50. But it's practically brand new. It's got 2 keys, which is rare, and there's just tons of space. It also opens at the other end as well, so you can open it at each end. So we'll be fitting this today. And again, the only reason why I need this is to store the spare wheel. But aye, and it's almost the same colour as the van as well, so plus. First job is getting the wheel off, like that. It's a good thick bit of ice. And the thing about this as well is, because it collects water, when you start driving, it all just starts flowing down the windscreen, so aye, it'll be good to finally get that off. To be fair though, I've never actually had to replace this, so it's held up well. Check. That'll do nicely in there. If I'm being honest, I want it further forward, just because of the back of the van being lowered. It's less weight on the back, and then we've still got a good bit of storage at the back, the top bit as well. That'll be its new home. I just need to figure out how to take this apart. So we'll need to give this a clean, and I'm probably going to move the roof bars as well to line up with the new box. I'm going to stick the box on just to have a wee look. It is a lot bulkier than the basket, I'll give you that, but it just looks so much better. And then it just means that I can put stuff in it as well. So the way that it's fallen in as well, if you can see those wee notches, so basically that'll go in there. So I think I'm going to need to move this one down a bit. And the thing is, I'm not bothered about covering the solar panel because I'm going to get the Blue WAV alternator charger. So let's get the roof cleaned up and roof bar moved. So if memory serves me right, it's just these cable ties and the velcro straps that are holding it on, so it should be easy. And by the way guys, if you want to see how I made my awning / shower, check the video here. So I remember when I put these bars on, these wee grommets were fiddly to come on and off, but I've just drilled through that and it just goes straight down into the bolt to unloosen it, and all I need to do is just loosen it enough so that I can move it. I'm going to go in and drill the rest of them and then get them unloosened. Right, let's give this a bit of a clean. So the only spots I can see is there, wee one there, here, a wee bit there. Thing is, I was hoping to do it last summer, but I'm going to do it this summer, and that is I'm going to paint the van. So if you haven't subscribed, get subscribed for that. But that'll be coming in the summer, so I don't really mind sanding because I know it's all getting painted anyway. That's what I hate about building in the winter. The days are too short. The sun's going down already. But let's try and fit the wheel in the new roof box. So I might use this, the plate that came with it. So instead of going all over there and just having one point of contact with that steel, I can bring it over to here, and then that basically the distance from here to here catches both steel plates. So then both of the steel rods are actually supporting this rather than just the one. I think we'll do that. So let me just do another fit check, just to make sure that the wheel would fit like that. So this is what we need to cut for that to line up. This does go against everything that I want to do to this because I don't really want to be cutting holes in it, but it's for the greater good.
Shut it!
Put this on a low setting. That's the hole cut. Let's make sure this fits now. Oh, look at that. Perfect. So let's check it underneath. There you are. So it's catching both steel beams. Nice. There you are. Make sure it can close. As you can see, that plate's solid, that plate's not going anywhere. And it's not supported by the plastic, it's supported by the steel beams. Oh, that's such a relief. It's just so much better being in there, and then I can use all that space. The problem with the roof basket is you need to net everything down, and I never ever used it. But with this, you can basically put all your wet gear in it. And I know on the North Coast 500, there was a couple of times I didn't want to get out the van, just because my stuff was ringing. But if I had this, I probably would have went out and just put my jackets and stuff in this. Let's get it on the roof now. Wait, these can move? I've moved the roof bars, and it might have been for no reason because these slide, so wherever you need to put your bracket, you can move that to adjust. The fronts will stay where they are, but these ones can move.